Lockdown, day 5 or 6 or 7 or possibly nighttime. I'm going to make perry, which is pear cider. I don't think I've ever had it before, and I got a bunch of tinned pear juice for this very occasion. Very exact occasion? Exactly. How am I going to do it? I'm going to get some sugar and this and that. I'm going to do it in record speed. That's how I'm going to do it. This is some yeast. I don't know why I opened it first. This is some sugar. I want to put in about 200 grams, but I'm not going to measure. This is the sugar that I would use to put sugar in my coffee, if I put sugar in my coffee. And I do not. I have a Australian Army Fred to open some of the pear juice. Now, hopefully that's enough of opening. All this stuff, oh look at that. All this stuff has been sterilized. I'm going to do a video about sterilizing stuff. Probably within the next couple of days. I got to get back to work soon, working from home, but wasting time nonetheless. How's this for multitasking? Wow, look at that. I've done some maths. These are 850 mil. I can fit 4 of them in this. A long time ago, I had a job picking pears in a very small town in Victoria called Marupna. And as you get off the train station, you have to walk through a canning factory to get to the small town. It was a terrible job. I recommend not picking pears for a living. The only reason I did it is because I quit my job selling encyclopedias door to door. Yes, people used to do that. I was the last of a dying breed. Anyone else going crazy? No, they're fine. Good. While that's pouring, now I'm going to do some more multitasking. I'm going to add in this yeast. It's just baker's yeast, alright? I want better yeast. I want to get some pear brewing yeast from the pear brewing shop, but I haven't, and everything's closed at the moment anyway. So this will do the trick. Now, I'm going to put the lid on, not so tight. I'm going to put this somewhere to ferment. I'll let you all check back in on it in a couple of days. Record time, over and out. This is day 2. It started bubbling very soon after I put this in the bottle yesterday. I'm kind of struggling letting you see the bubbles come up, but it is bubbling vigorously. It never really foamed up, or at least it hasn't yet, because I was a bit worried of it foaming up and coming out the top. But it's fine, just bubbling along nicely. It's really late, as it always is. I was just about to go to bed, and I remembered I should have done this yesterday. This stopped bubbling probably about last night, and it's ready for bottling. So I've put about this much sugar into each of these bottles, which is a lot of sugar. And it's a glass bottle, so you always have the danger of them exploding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow them to sit in there for maybe almost 2 days, and then I'm going to put them into the fridge. This will stop this sugar from being eaten by that yeast, and that's called cold crashing. Glug, 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 glug. Just fill them all up. I really thought, fuck, I'm stupid. I really thought that today I wouldn't make any mess because there's no lumps in this. I'm an idiot. It fills up to here. God, I'm stupid. This is a bottle capper. This one didn't get used. This is bottle caps. So put that on. Oh, don't break the table, and do that to all of them. Alright, I'll put these somewhere to hang out for a day or 2. Welcome back to my damned echo chamber. This has been in the fridge for about a week. I let it ferment after I bottled it for about 2 days. Let's just see how it goes. It is bubbly, and that's what I wanted. I can see it rising. I'm just going to do this. It's alright. Cloudy. It sounds good, which is what I want in an alcohol. It's fine. It's sweet. That's why I put extra sugar in, because I just let it ferment until it was all done the first time, like just till the bubbles stopped. And I thought, wait a minute, that's not going to be sweet. And I kind of want pear alcohol to be sweet, so I put extra sugar in, and that paid off. It's super cloudy. Yeah, no, it's alright. Good, good. It's fine. It's fine. Would I make it again? The thing is, it's a rental, and I would hang like noise dampeners on the roof Roof? Roof as well! I was trying to say walls though. You can make it with pear juice. You can juice your own pears. And I'm pretty sure this will get me drunk. Let's see. It's a work day tomorrow, but I'm working from home, so I can start late and finish late and whatever. Choose your own hours. That's nice. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's burpy. It's pretty burpy alcohol. Does it still sound good? Yeah, it does. Started making soap as a hobby. Things we have heaps of soap already. Claudius. Go. Can I ask everyone a question, please? It's a serious question. What color is your rooftop? And do you live in a regular sort of Western regular house? Or do you live in an apartment? Or something else? I bought 2 stills from Amazon. They both didn't arrive. And I got my money back on both, which is so weird that they both didn't arrive. So I'm gonna make my own, but I don't want to spend any money on it. So get ready for a very ghetto distilling bunch of videos. Look at some head. It's how we drink perry in Belgium. It's probably not. Perfect Belgium perry. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make some. It's pretty easy and not too bad.